Today, Mindspiration takes the pride in revisiting one of the evanescing recipes of Bengal, which reticently is carrying forth the legacy of the traditional Bengali cuisine. The recipe is aesthetically simple, yet soulfully delectable, religiously domestic, yet sinfully inviting. A twist with full Kopi Bata or cauliflower green leaf mash can be a paradisical rendezvous with hot, steaming rice, an ecstatic enlightenment for your taste buds. Cauliflower green leaf mash is a typical winter recipe when you can get the gorgeous cauliflowers with the lustrous and tender green leaves. This almost extinct recipe was typical to erstwhile East Bengal, which is now Bangladesh. Pluck the leaves out from the cauliflower and then boil them in water for about 5 to 10 minutes. Once the leaves have softened enough, take them out and allow them to cool down in a dish. Thereafter, make a fine paste of the cauliflower leaves with ginger, garlic, and green chilies. Now, pour mustard oil in the frying pan. Once the oil is hot enough, add the chopped onions and fry them well. Once the onions have turned reddish, add the cauliflower leaf paste into the frying pan and saute well. Then add 1 teaspoon turmeric and red chili powder, salt as per taste, and half teaspoon sugar. Saute them well again. Keep stirring the paste until it dries up. Cauliflower green leaf mash or Kopi Bata is now ready to be served with steaming hot rice. Enjoy and savor the taste with your family and be ready to be appreciated and pampered. Thank you for watching this video.